The Caddington Village range is Lemax's most successful and popular that they offer, and it's easy to see why with their beautiful Victorian era architecture and classic look. And that classic feel has not escaped the Christmas Grove skating rink. Jumping straight into the features, this doesn't have an inside scene, but it does come with a 4.5 volt adapter. Of course there is animation given that it's a skating rink. It does come with music, exterior lighting, no smoke, and also internal lighting too. The product dimensions are 8.46 inches high by 13.19 wide and 12.20 deep. In centimetres that's 21.5 by 33.5 by 31. This product is made of plastic and it's in the Sights and Sounds range. This piece was first released as a Michaels exclusive in America in 2021 before a general release in 2022. As with all Michaels exclusives, this has a real big ticket item presence. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the animated band performing as the jazz and trumpet frontmen twist and play. The stage is beautifully decorated with an eye-catching sign that has a gold trim and candle swirls on either side, and inside it has a Merry Christmas decor on the wall along with garlands and ribbons. I love the colour changing LEDs inside that give a real party feel. The corners have a slow fade whilst those in the centre flash quickly. There's a real energy to this scene and it really injects some life to this piece. This skating rink comes with two mid-sized lit Christmas trees that fit either side of the band via a magnetic connection, which are gorgeous. The metallic baubles look premium and the lights on these trees are perfectly in keeping with the decor. Naturally, both trees are topped with the stars that Lemax use on all of their lit Christmas trees. The rink is filled by 10 skating pieces, some of which have two figures on them rather than one, giving us a total of 13 skaters. And there are some great little stories that could be told here, whether it's a fun aunt teaching their nephew how to skate, a first date, or perhaps Pops reliving his youth. In fact, Christmas Grove Skating Rink feels like it could be at the heart of a Hallmark Christmas film in the middle of America. It just has that classic warm feel to it. So the rink itself is also nicely decorated too, with the Lemax's micro-coloured LEDs around the outside of the base, and the hoarding on the inside is bright and cheerful. For the first time in a long time too, I believe, this rink has painted candy cane logos on the ice rather than the plain ice surface that we are accustomed to with the more budget offerings. The Grove Skating Rink comes with a really good soundtrack as well, which is great given that the band is at the very centre of this piece, and it may be one of the very few pieces you actually display with the soundtrack on, and of course the volume can be controlled by the all-in-one roller switch that controls both the power and the sound. So there you have it. Lemax's premier skating rink is exceptional and would be a wonderful centrepiece, and while it is their biggest and brightest, it wasn't an easy choice when choosing between this and the outdoor skating rink, by and large due to the stunning tree in the centre, and honestly either would be a great addition. So before the video closes with the band in full swing, if you're still here, thank you, I appreciate it. And if you've liked what you've seen today, please drop a like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell for the notifications. I know every YouTuber says it, but for a small channel like this, it really does make a difference. So until next time, be kind to one another and know that you are appreciated.